A garden hose is an essential part of your arsenal if you're serious about your hobby garden. Whether you just need a hose for high-pressure cleaning, or simply need to water your precious flowers, a flexible and well-made garden hose will come in handy in many situations. It's essential to go with a high-quality garden hose that can stand the harsh weather conditions and use cases. But what makes a high-quality garden hose that can do an excellent job in your garden so special? If you are unsure, take a look at the detailed comparison of best garden hoses we use at our nursery. We have also looked at the independent test results from all over the internet so that you can buy your new garden hose online with the best possible information. Gardena Comfort Flex Garden Hose comes in 5 different lengths. 10 meters, 15, 20, 30 and 50 meters, and it's made to withstand high water pressure. High-quality, spiral mesh textile offers the flexibility and power to withstand up to 40 bars. The harmful UV rays of the sun cannot harm it. So it's perfectly fine to leave it under the sun when you're taking a coffee break. This product comes with a mind-blowing 20-year special warranty, which shows the manufacturer is fully behind the products they make. This is an extremely reliable hose that you can use in your garden for an extremely long time with good care. Of course, you don't have to fear annoying bending or twisting with this dimensionally stable garden hose. If you already have the original system parts and the matching Gardena connection devices, you can just buy this one individually. If it's your first Gardena product, you might need a couple of other connection parts. The Ohoohoo garden hose is great, especially if you have a big garden and need something flexible and expanding. Thanks to the elastic material used, it can extend from 30 feet to a whopping 75 feet. No matter how hard you pull it, double latex flexible material ensures an extremely long service life. We have one of these Ohoohoo hoses at Columbia Florist. One of the best things I like about it is, it never tangles, twists or kinks, which makes it extremely easy to store away when I don't need to water my flowers. The extremely pressure-resistant hose can withstand a pressure of up to 10 bars. The hose expands automatically as soon as water flows through it. You don't need to pull or anything. The best part is, a convenient spray head also comes with the hose. It has 8 different settings so that you can water your plants to a greater or lesser extent with this garden hose and spray head. With a net weight of only 1.5 kilograms, this garden hose is comparatively light despite its considerable length. Also, the spray head of your new Ohoohoo garden hose is of course, of high quality and corrosion resistant. Despite the flexible material used, the Crennova 100 feet can easily handle up to a water pressure of 15 bars. The solid brass connection parts can also ensure that you can use this water hose drip-proof around your house. The stable material makes sure that you don't have to worry about twisting and knotting. The Crennova garden hose can also withstand tough environments and weather conditions. After all, you can use this flexible garden hose without hesitation in a temperature range from -5 to +50 degrees Celsius. It's not a problem for me here in California. However, if you're from colder parts of the country, it's crucial to have a water hose that can withstand cold and capable of resisting sub-zero weather conditions. Thanks to the 15 bars pressure, not only around the garden, it can also be used to clean your vehicles, and even the outside of your house. Overall, it is a heavy-duty, ultra-expandable water hose with a 1-year manufacturer warranty that'll last you many years. Please remember that all flexible garden hoses only reach their maximum length after several times of use. However, by the 5th use at the latest, the hose should stretch to its maximum length of 100 feet.